sauce is very good.
Thank you.
Aromatic.
Maybe I try a bit of the chili.
The green chili also very crunchy, fresh. Not those, you know, some green chili is like very noir type. Then no taste one, cannot have the crunchiness in there.
蛮 crunchy 的。
Then the chee cheong fun, the taste of the sweet sauce is really the old school type. Brings you back to like 都是地菜地方。Each of these cheese is $2 per piece. So depends what you want to take. You can take the beancurd skin, no cheesecake, opah, whatever. You can tell them the sauce that you want. Curry sauce, sweet sauce, or the red. The sweet sauce is two types, red and the black one. This is the black color sweet, 黑甜酱. The price is about $3.50 per plate. Actually, 这个是什么？看一下。
价钱对不对 ？OK。
Yeah, I think so. 咖喱酿豆腐。
刚有看到 OK 啊。还有 Mr. Dollar， I think 它是它的全部的那个它的this one very nice 要不要买 for 明年的 Christmas？
是这里发的车。